Hi, good morning. I am Professor Hardeep Singh. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Kumar Dutt for inviting me as a resource person to deliver an expert talk on quality management system, quality assurance, and IQAC in this international conference, Global Quality Excellence Conference 2021. I welcome other esteemed panel members and the entire participants present here in this conference. The title of my today's talk is Quality Circles, a Way Toward Quality Improvement. From the starting of this conference, we all are hearing many learned personalities who have talked about quality management system, quality assurance, and IQAC. As we all are academicians, we all deal with students. Students are the future of our nation. To produce good quality products, that is, good scholars, good researchers, good doctors, good engineers, and even good scientists, we need to introduce quality circles in our educational organizations. What I have seen in my teaching career in India, especially in Punjab, in the educational organization, I have seen that quality is lacking somewhere in these organizations, especially private organizations. They are busy in making money in education business only, not on quality. Today, I will talk about quality circles in educational organizations. The main problem is the lack of awareness of knowledge about quality circles, especially basics of quality among the employees, students, parents, and even the managements of the teaching organizations. So now moving towards the basics of quality circles. Quality is the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy given needs. Quality is an inherent or distinguishing characteristic, a degree or grade of excellence. Quality is critical to satisfying the customers and retaining their loyalty so they continue to buy from you in the future. Quality products make an important contribution to long-term revenue and profitability. They also enable to charge and maintain higher prices. Moving towards what is quality circle. A quality circle is a participatory management technique that enlists the help of employees in solving problems relating to their own jobs. Circles are formed of employees working together in an operation who meet at intervals to discuss problems of quality and to devise solutions for improvements. A quality circle or quality control circle is a group of workers who do the same or similar work and who meet regularly to identify, analyze, and solve work-related problems. I would like to say that quality circles are also required in our educational organizations, and we all should move towards the quality circles to develop the quality circles in the educational organizations. Elements of the quality circle include top management, steering committee, leader, non-members, coordinator, facilitator, and members. These all are the elements or the part of structure of quality circle in an organization. All these elements are crucial for the efficient functioning of the organization. Now coming towards the objectives. What are the objectives of quality circles? If there is no objective in our life is useless. everything should have some objectives. So the objectives of quality circle is to improve quality, productivity and total performance of the organization, and also to enrich the quality of work life of the employees. Why quality circles? Why are quality circles required? Or in other words, we can say, what are the benefits of quality circles? First is change in attitude. Quality circles change the attitude of the employees. Their attitude change from I don't care to I do care. There is continuous improvement in quality work life through humanization of the work. Second is self-development. Quality circles help in the self-development of the employees. It brings out hidden potential of the people, of the employees. People get to learn additional skills. Additional skills are very much mandatory. Lastly, sir was talking about that in this COVID-19 period, the teachers, the academicians are feeling hard to use this digital platforms like Zoom, Google Meet and many other IT platforms for teaching of the students. However, the students are also suffering from this online teaching. They are looking for the offline teaching. But in this universe of IT, in this age of information technology, we all should know about IT, how to use the IT platforms. Academicians should know how to use this platform to deliver their lectures, to make the students know about their education, about their studies. So the teachers should have additional skills. Had they used this quality circles and had they learned the additional skills, they might not have faced problems by using these IT platforms. Coming to next, development of team spirit. Team spirit is very important thing. Team spirit eliminates interdepartmental conflicts. When we all will work as a team, we will work for a single goal, single objective. We all will be working toward the quality product of the organization. Then there will be no conflicts, interdepartmental conflicts. When there a problem comes, then we start blaming towards the other departments. It is the we can say in the educational organization, we can say it is the fault of training department, it is the fault of admin department, or it is the fault of other department. We start blaming each other. When we are working in a team, we are working for the same goal, same objectives. The conflicts will be reduced and we all will move towards the quality product, and we all will produce quality things. Like we will produce quality students, quality scholars, quality scientists for the nation, for the world. Next coming, improved organizational culture. Quality circles help in improving the organizational work culture. When quality circles will be introduced in this organization, in this educational organizations, there will be a positive working environment. Everybody will feel positive. Nobody will feel the burden of the work, and there will be, secondly, there will be a high motivational level. Motivation is very important thing in our life, in our culture, in our workplace. Second thing is self-motivation, a motivation that comes from our inside. So motivational level is also increased when we will introduce the quality circles. Next coming, it improves the decision making ability. When we will work in team, we will be having high motivation level. Then everybody will work towards the decision making ability of the employees of the organization will improve due to the introduction of quality circles in these educational organizations. Next coming, it also improves employee communication at all levels of organization. Communication is very much important. Without communication, an organization cannot run. We cannot go towards the success we cannot go towards the good products. Like at all levels, one information is to be provided to the staff. It will go to it should go through a proper channel, proper mode, proper medium. If an information reaches the required personals, required employees late, then that information is of no use. You can lose the quality of the product. So when we will introduce quality circles in the organization, it will improve employee communication at all levels of the organization. It also improves the problem solving ability of the employees. Next, it improves leadership skills. I have mentioned so many leadership skills a leader should have, but all these are important. But I will highlight only some key skills like honesty. We all have been reading honesty is the best policy. So honesty, then emotional intelligence, problem solving, decision making, and self motivation. Next coming, quality circles build confidence and trust. When there will be a confidence in us, there will be a self-confidence. We can conquer any obstacle, any problem. We can find the solution of any problem. We can make a decision of any problem to solve any problem. So the quality circles build confidence or trust in the employees. Keeping in mind the time limits, I am going to conclude my topic, this topic, by saying that quality is very much necessary and beneficial for every organization. May it be any organization, it may be educational organization, it may be school, college, university, banking, pharma industry, or any other industry. Quality circles play a very important role in it. It improves the performance, reduces the complaints and conflicts, reduces wastes and errors, and increases the accuracy. Finally, in one line, I will summarize that quality circles lead towards quality improvement. Once again, I thank Dr. Kumar Dutt for providing me this opportunity to deliver an expert talk on quality circles. I also thank the other participants and esteemed panel members to have patience and pay attention to my words. Thanks once again.